Runway's insane new update to Act 1 now allows you to take your facial animation and put them onto other characters within videos, not just images. This is groundbreaking and will change the future of filmmaking. I'll show you why in this video. I'll show you how to use it, and I'll be putting it through loads of different tests just to show you how useful this tool can be and how it can help you with your videos. Plus, I'll also show you why the Expand Video tool will be another game-changing tool for making videos. Okay, let's get into it. When Runway first introduced Act 1, it allowed you to take a facial animation video and put it onto an image of a character. Now, this was great, but the problem was only the face was animated and the rest of the frame was pretty much still. Now with the new update, it's the missing piece of the puzzle, as you're able to put a facial animation into an existing video, which is pretty incredible. And I do believe it will change filmmaking in some way. Now you may be thinking, how will it change filmmaking? Well, to start off, let's have a look at this example. So here is the original video, which is a clip I found on a stock footage website, and I thought it would be good to put my own performance in it. So now let's have a look at 3 different takes. Okay, so this is take 1. Welcome to Runway's Act 1, where the world of possibilities are endless. Okay, take 2. Welcome to Runway, where possibilities are endless and you can let your creativity flow. Okay, take 3. Welcome to Runway, where creativity is endless. If you can think it, you can make it. So as you can see, these were 3 different takes, but with the same original video. So it gives you so much more freedom with redoing your performance without refilming the whole video again. I hope this gives you the idea of how this tool can be used and just how useful it could be for filmmakers. So if you get your shots, you go back to the editing room and you're looking back on the shots and it wasn't quite right, and now you're able to go back and change the dialogue in the shot and even the expressions in the shot.
I will be releasing another video which covers advanced techniques in Act 1. So if you want to check that out, make sure to hit that notification bell and subscribe to the channel. If the video is already out when you're watching this, then you'll find a link to it down below.
So let's have a look at how to use Act 1. I've actually already uploaded a video based on the first version of Act 1, which was the performance capture to images, and I'll be using some of those examples, but with the new version of Act 1. So to start off, you want to click on Generative Session, and then click on Act 1. And you'll notice all of these tabs, you want to click on the video one. And this gives you loads of templates of different videos that you can put your performance onto. And there's a really good selection from fantasy to real life and animated characters. And you can upload your own. So here you can either use your webcam to record yourself or record yourself separately and upload it into here. So I've already pre-recorded loads of different facial animations and me speaking, so I'll choose a few and see how well they work with a few of these examples. So don't worry if you're confused about the audio, just concentrate on the performances. So let's have a look at them. In the heart of a green valley, Jack heard legends of a magical white rose atop the tallest hill, which bloomed only once a year. Desiring a unique gift for his father's birthday, Jack embarked on the climb.
Glowing under the sun's embrace, Jack carefully picked it and descended, his heart full of joy.
And I think they looked incredible. It's not just good for real-life footage, you can also use it for animation as well. So here's a look at a 2D animation and a more CGI Pixar-looking animation. Hello everyone, and welcome to Runway's Act 1. This is a test to see how well it works. Is it working? How does it look? Does my face look okay? And I've got to say, it looks really good. So I could see how useful this will be in the future for animation as well. And as you can see, it works really well with this CGI Pixar-style animated character. Is it working? How does it look? Does my face look okay? Hello everyone, and welcome to Runway's Act 1. This is a test to see how well it works. Is it working? How does it look? Does my face look okay? And it works really well with expressions. So I tried to push my facial expressions to the limits, and the resulting video does copy them really closely, and it looks pretty realistic. And it even works really well if the original video already has a lot of exaggerated facial movements. As you can see in this video here, the character is moving their face a lot and is very animated, so you would think it would struggle with replacing that face. But here is the video with Act 1. Runway's Act 1 now allows you to take your performances and put them onto characters inside of videos, not just images. Runway's Act 1 now allows you to take your performances and put them onto characters inside of videos, not just images. And I am blown away at how good it has replaced the facial animations. Now you may be thinking, well, the quality isn't as good as the original shot, and while it's not quite there yet, we're still in the early stages of it. Imagine 1 to 2 years from now, it's going to be much better. And I can guarantee you there will be big studios using this. If not for the big studios, then for the small filmmakers and indie filmmakers, this is going to be an essential tool. As well as Act 1, Runway also have another feature that I think is going to change filmmaking. This is the Expand Video tool. Now, what this does is exactly what it says. It expands the video, not in time, but in the area size. So I'm constrained to the size of this video that I'm filming on. But say I wanted to have it a little bit bigger, then I can expand the video. So if you've got a landscape shot, it will add the verticality to the shot, and then you can take that shot back into Runway and expand it again horizontally, and you've got a much bigger shot. Now you may be thinking, how is this useful for filmmaking? Well, I believe it will just allow you to be a bit more creative with your filmmaking. I was listening to a podcast from one of my favorite YouTube channels called Corridor Crew. They make incredible short films. Now, Nico, one of the founders of Corridor, was on a podcast talking about a short film he was making. And they were filming in their studio, but when he went to edit the footage, he felt like the footage looked too constrained and didn't have the feeling of what he wanted in the final video, which was supposed to be a large, expansive space. So when he was filming this, Runway actually released their Expand Video tool. So he dropped his video in there and expanded his footage. And he said it looked incredible and nailed the look he was going for. And this made me think it does have a use. If you're running out of space, if you want a shot with a bit more of a wider field of view, then this tool allows you to do it. You don't have to use it all the time, but when you do need it, it will come in really handy. And that's why I do believe that these tools will evolve and will become a part of our filmmaking future. Another great feature Runway have for filmmaking is the video-to-video tool. A good method is to use video-to-video first to get the kind of body animation, and then take it into Act 1 to get the facial animation done. So it gives you complete control. So you want to record your footage and then take it into Runway and choose or describe the look that you want. Runway have loads of different options. So this is the result I got from my video to video, and I think it looks really good. But I wanted to show more of the space, so I used the Expand Video feature in Runway and expanded it to show more of the scene. And then if you add that video into Act 1, you can control the performance of the actor and what they're saying. Hello everyone, and welcome to Runway's Act 1. This is a test to see how well it works. Is it working? I think it works really well. So with this technique, you can pretty much make your own TV show if you wanted to. You could act it out, get the desired look you want in video to video, and then do the facial animations and the voice work. I think it's a great method for storytelling. Another cool thing you can do with Act 1 is to change the performance of famous films. I've just chose some short clips here to do it with, as I don't want to get demonetized, but it's really fun to change the performance of these actors.
The Ring and the Dark Lord.
So I hope you can see just how incredibly powerful this tool is and is going to be in the future. If you have any thoughts on this tool, please leave a comment down below. And it would be awesome if you could like and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Feel free to click the image on the screen to watch one of our other videos. Thanks for watching.